What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to be talking about the organic or the soap eyebrows that everybody has been going crazy about for the past 2 to 3 years. Honestly, I didn't like them at first, I'm not gonna lie, but now I've been into them. They're not that bad. I got 2 different styles going on, so hopefully if there's anybody out there that still doesn't know how to do them, I can help you achieve this look. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know where you're watching me from. I always like to interact with you guys. And also, if you're not following me on Instagram, I will leave it around here. So without further ado, guys, let's jump right in. Starting off with the soap, guys, this is from Pears and this is a transparent soap. Try to find a transparent soap. Do not try to use a Dove soap. That will not work. It will leave a residue and show up on pictures. Now, taking the setting spray, I'm going to spritz it 2 to 3 times. You could also use water, and I'm going to set this aside for 2 to 3 minutes. This is the kind of spoolie that I like to use, something shorter, bristled. I also like to use the second one, but to start off my eyebrows, I like to use the first one. I'm going to take the spoolie and start scraping it on the soap. I did move the spoolie on an angle. Make sure you scrape it really good, guys, and get that soap all around the bristles of the spoolie to make sure you have a good application. I took the spoolie and started molding the eyebrow to my liking. You can see by the first try, there's a big difference in between both of my eyebrows. I did this 2 to 3 times, guys. Make sure you do it as many times as you want. After that, I started pressuring the other side of the spoolie to make sure that the hairs would not move. Taking the other spoolie or the second spoolie I showed you guys, I ran it through the top of my brow because there were 2 to 3 eyebrow hairs that were really long and they were out of place. So I just made sure to fix them the way I wanted. Now, this is the organic eyebrow, guys, with nothing on it, but I do like to fill it in with this pomade from Benefit. This is in the shade 5, if anybody is wondering. I took this pomade and started creating hairs throughout the whole eyebrow. And I also started shading the eyebrow in, making it more of a fuller eyebrow. To shade the eyebrow in, you can also use an eyeshadow that works perfectly fine as well. Taking a Q-tip and some setting spray, I'm going to remove the excess soap around my eyebrows. Make sure you do this step if you are going to apply foundation or you want to apply shadows. Make sure you do this step, guys. I took the LA Girl Concealer in Porcelain and I applied this under my brow and I made sure I completely blended it out. This is going to help your eyebrow look more clean and more defined. Now for the second eyebrow, guys, I did the same thing to the soap, but now when I applied the soap to the eyebrows, I made sure that I took my time and I applied a lot of pressure like you are seeing here. You want to take your time on this one, guys, because this eyebrow is not going to have a lot of product, and I do want you guys to keep in mind that my eyebrow hairs are super long. That's why I took even longer. I'm pretty sure that if you have shorter eyebrow hairs, you won't take this long, but I do want the hairs to go upwards and to the side so I don't have to apply a lot of product. After I achieved the shape that I liked, I went ahead and I glued them, or I started pressuring them down so they would not move. And to fill them in, I used the Glossy A marker in dark brown, and I only filled them in where it was necessary. I did not go overboard. Like I said, I want this to be more of a natural brow. And these are both of the eyebrows done. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you found this helpful and hopefully you try one of these out. Let me know if you do any of these and which one is your favorite. Honestly, I like this one more. I like it because it looks more natural. Obviously, it's really thick, and I do want you guys to keep in mind that this does look thicker because I do have really long eyebrow hairs. I personally like it that way. If your eyebrow hairs are more shorter, it will look a little bit different, but honestly, I like it. I'm not gonna lie. I think it's really cool. I don't do this every single day because it's way too much to be doing this every single day. But if I want to do a light beat or something simple, I do this eyebrow. And if I want to do more shadows, I'll do this eye. But I personally like both. They're pretty cute. They're different. And I feel like it gave my face a little bit of a lift. So I appreciate that as well. If you have never done this and you're gonna try it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. And if you have any other questions, let me know in the comments. I'm always here to help. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Live open, vividly,